Good day guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to get Lunar Client on TLauncher. So firstly guys, I don't even recommend doing it this way because good news, now Lunar Client is available as a standalone installation, so you don't have to mess around with TLauncher to basically find a zip file manually, then save it, open up your TLauncher and then find that archive, install it within it. It's just a hassle. So the simpler way is to just going into your search bar on Google and type in Lunar Client, and as you can see in here we have our #1 free Minecraft client. So this is our Lunar, and you can either press on this button or press on download like this and download it for Windows. Alright, so as you can see guys, my Lunar client is now downloaded in here, and you can pretty much just click on it if you wish to install it like this. As you can see, this is our installer. Next, choose the path, accept the terms and that you are 18 years or above, and install it. And after that you have the full functionality. You don't have to mess around with the TLauncher or whatever, and now you can play your Minecraft easily through this method. So enjoy guys, if this helped, like and subscribe. See you next time.